my neighbor bringing 2 loads of ag lime. Gonna put in those bad fields. Very dry, stored inside, so good stuff. There's 44 tons of dry ag lime. They keep this stuff stored inside. Hopefully they're gonna call me back. I can rent a spreader cart tomorrow, put this down in the fields before it gets wet. If it gets wet, no big deal. I still bought it dry versus wet where you're paying tonnage, but it's pretty fine, pretty nice stuff. A little pricey now. I think this was $21 a ton. But yeah, my buddy hauled it. I don't know. I think they would let me haul it. They told me in the past I couldn't, but they load it with a loader, so I don't see why I couldn't haul it. But yeah, it's supposed to rain Sunday and some next week, so hopefully I can get that cart tomorrow and put this down. Got the John Deere 6100D fired up. It's been sitting a lot other than spraying. So I got this 44 tons of ag lime. It's dry, nice stuff. You can see that moisture ring at the bottom. It's drawing the moisture out of the ground. Limestone sucks up all the moisture. Anyways, I rented this spreader cart from my local New Holland dealer, and it's pretty reasonable. I think it's like $7 a ton, or $7 an acre, something like that. Minimum $100. Yeah, so I've set up this cart. I got to get it set up for about 2 tons to the acre. I'll have to use the chart. Nice little cart. It's got a grate, so it breaks up the clumps. I'm going to use my New Holland T4100 up there to load it. I have a skid steer here too if I need, but I'm going to get the drone in the air, get a little aerial footage loading this up. I figured the dry stuff, you know, you're not paying for that moisture weight and tonnage, so you're getting more material. I mean, it's nice and white here. It's definitely putting it down. It's still in the air here. I think I need to go get my respirator. I don't want to be breathing that dust in, but it stays in the air for a long time. All right, in the backfield at one of my leases, the green tractor just shut off on me, and it won't start back up now. I mean, it started back up a couple times, and now it won't. So it seems like a fuel issue. But got the little field done over there, and just doing the first pass around on this far back field. It's only about 1.5 acres, 2 acres tops. The sun came out. Putting it down. A lot of dust. This stuff is so dry. Really leaving a trail there. Back across the whole field, I was just over there. So the John Deere quit running. It's like not getting fuel. Hopefully it's nothing too expensive. But so I had to put the New Holland on the spreader. I just did this pass around here. Look at this dust cloud. Not dust cloud, but lime cloud. I mean, it's still in the air over here too, but all the way around, it's so dry. Like, look at it in the trees there. Looks like some crazy weather. Nope, just ag lime dust. And then that nasty storm up there. We need that rain as soon as I finish. Got up to my cloud from last time, all the way around. It's wild out here. I got like this whole field cloudy. All right, got it all spread. I don't know if it's with this weather that's moving in, why this is not going away. There's no wind, I guess. The wind died, so it's just hanging out. Like, this whole field is ridiculous. It's so dry. This ag lime, this is the dustiest I've ever seen the ag lime. The whole field's smoky, cloudy.